To get started, I've threaded a button onto the cords for this bracelet, so you want to pull the cords out at equal distance either side, and then you can clip your button to the top of your board. Next, you want to pick the colour that you're going to start with, and you want to clip the other colour to the bottom of the board. So I'm going to start this bracelet by doing some square knots. So you can do as many as you want for the first part of your pattern, so I'm going to do 4. So once you've done your first set of square knots, you want to switch your colours. So I'm going to take the colour I just worked, bring it over the top of the colours that I worked over, and I want to clip this to the bottom of the board. And then I want to create the gap. So to keep the gap consistent all the way down, I'm going to use this crafting lolly stick. So I want to put this underneath these cords and over the top of these ones to hold it in place. And then I want to take these cords and again work my 4 square knots. And just pull this up against the stick. So this will create a consistent gap every time. You don't have to use a lolly stick, you could use anything. It just means that the gap will stay the same size every time you do it. And again, I want to do 4 square knots. And once you've done your 4, again you can switch your colours. So taking the colour you just worked with over the top of the ones you worked over, clip this to the board, remove the stick and then put it into the new position. And again do your 4 square knots. And you want to keep repeating these steps all the way down until you've got the bracelet or necklace, as long as you want it to be. So once you've got the bracelet as long as you want it, you can trim and seal the side cords. So I'm going to use a lighter to seal here, but you could use glue if you prefer. And once you've finished, you should end up with something that looks like this. And that is your completed bracelet.